Everyone, this is Jerry with Credit on Point, and if you're watching this video, you're probably wondering how in the world was I able to raise my credit score from a 499 to 764 FICO credit score. And I actually want to share with you my credit report from BMW. Hold on, let me cover my address first. All right, as you can see right there, Jerry Chadavoine, that's me. And you can see Vista, BMW, and you can see the 764 credit score. That was a couple years ago, but I still use these tactics, till this day. And these strategies work, man. And the cool thing about it is not only was I able to get approved for the BMW, but I was also able to get approved for $20K worth of funding that I used to start my call center, and then an additional $40K that I use towards my call center for marketing, etc. So click the link wherever it's located, and I'm going to share with you guys these 5 proven breakthrough tactics that I use currently for my clients and that I use on myself personally. And the thing is, you guys can go online and search information on how to fix your own credit. I'm not denying that, but the problem is a lot of that information is fluff. And to put things into more perspective, more importantly, that information was put out by, most of that information, not all information, most of the information was put out by the credit bureau. So that should tell you guys how effective that information really is. So again, I'm sharing with you guys this information that I use that work for myself, and I'm not claiming to be some sort of guru or anything in those realms. These are just tactics that I use, and they personally work for me and for my clients. So again, click the link wherever it's located. Improve your credit for the rest of your life. That way you guys too can fund whatever projects that you got, any real estate deals you're trying to get into, or simply just to buy the dream home that you always wanted and the car that you always wanted. So again, click the link wherever it's located, and I'm going to share with you guys these 5 proven tactics, and I guarantee if you use these tactics correctly, it'll also work for you guys as well. All right, see you later. Peace.